Okay, greetings guys and welcome again to another um, video on this channel, the dollar cents. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $50 daily only by completing few surveys on this website. Now, this website is a secret website and it takes hard work. Of course, everything we show you on this channel, you could even make more than $50 on this website every day if you are willing, if you are serious. All right, and I mean this real. All right, there's some other tax. Okay, let me explain how TimeBucks work. All right, TimeBucks is a website that you could run campaigns. If you're an advertiser and advertise your product, and then people could see and buy, and then you could even channel them to. I think I'm going to make another video for advertisers, but for this video we're talking about how to earn from TimeBucks. So some persons that drop their surveys over here on TimeBucks, you just go ahead and fix some of the tax, and then what happens is that you are being rewarded with dollars. All right, you can see some countries here. Some person is in Nigeria. This person just earned $0.2 5 minutes ago. See, every minute people are making money. Every minute people are making money. Once you sign in with my referral link on the description, you're going to get $0.5 that you could withdraw. All right. Now, I've not performed any tax, any survey yet, so that the reason why I didn't do that is so that we'll be able to go through it together. All right. So that we can be able to go through it together, and then I get to show you how this thing work. All right, so please stick very close and very attentive till the end of this video. Now let's go. Number one, complete a full survey from the surveys tab, excludes daily poll. So I'm going to follow them directly. Let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together. So now you see this survey I'm about to run is time box quality testing survey, right? You see, unlock higher paying survey by completing your time box profile. You also earn $0.1 for completing your profile, right? So I'm about to complete my profile right now. Let me walk you through how to earn. You can see that I would make up to $1 just from this video. Starts here. TimeBucks has a minimum of payout of $5. You see, that means once you have reached this amount before the cut off time, which you can see by scrolling to the very bottom of the website, then you'll be paid. What is the minimum payout on TimeBucks? $5, right? So these are some basic simple questions. Let's go easy, easy, easy. What are you currently doing right now? Okay, I'm just going to skip through all of this. I'll just put random answers so that we don't waste time. Okay, some users complain that they haven't received their payment on TimeBucks yet, only to realize that they have never entered a payment method in the settings. What do you need to make sure you receive payments? Enter a payment method in the settings tab. Perfect. I've not even done this. All right, so you see that this is legit, guys. This is legit. From this survey we are going to learn about how TimeBucks work generally. All right, so please stick close. TimeBucks has a daily ladder completion where the top 5 users win the cash prize. The top user each day wins a cash prize. What prize does the top user each day win? A cash prize, right? So this is quite easy. This is just answer survey and then get money. I told you in the last video that why companies like this that does survey reward people with money is because they use some of those answers that you're giving them to make research on certain things. In fact, some persons that do product research use some of these answers to know what people like at a certain time and in certain areas and communities. All right, so that's the reason they're not giving you money for free. They are collecting your answers so that they could use that relevant information to do some product research. All right, okay, let's go. Do you currently suffer from any medical illness? Okay, no, I don't suffer. um Surveys always contain a lot of trap questions that detect people who are just selecting any answer and not even reading the question. Can you see? Surveys contain trap to filter out fraud. Surveys do not contain trap. Okay, this is the answer. Eh? What's your current employment status? Self-employed business owner. Okay, that's fine. Please select. I live in Nigeria. Timebox has an advertising section where you can buy clip promoting anything for as little as 0.002. So this is bid I told you we're going to talk about this. I'm going to teach you how you can buy subscribers, buy followership from this website for as low as 0.002. Do well to leave a comment if you want us to make this video on our next as our next plan. All right. What's your favorite movie or TV show of all time and why? My favorite movie or TV show is The Train by Mike Bamiloye. I love it because it's the story of his life and journey so far. So far, God has called him into the media ministry. Right? Okay, I think this is alright. What is your favorite? Ah, did they just swipe that? Okay, now let me give you a bonus now. You can see how they bounced what I just wrote. I'm not going to go through all of that again. I'll use ChatGPT to give a very comprehensive answer and they'll be surprised. So you can see that we have an advantage. You could answer surveys with ChatGPT. This is a bonus that some persons will not receive because they didn't stay through the video. So please stay back and always be attentive, right? So let me pause the video while this loads so that I don't have a lengthy video. Okay, so yes guys, as you can see, I'm going to use ChatGPT now to answer this question. My favorite, okay, let me just write a random movie. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, beautiful recording. So what's your favorite movie? Okay, this is beautiful. So it's going to give us an answer now. Don't worry, it's going to give us an answer. Absolutely. So it's an AI language, so it does not have selections, but it's going to give us some popular movie TV shows that we could copy from. Okay, stop generating. Fantasy. You see how it helps me. Okay, so I already have answers, right? Let's go. Beautiful. What's my birthday? I'm just gonna put any date here. TimeBucks pay 15% referral commission. That means that if you do a tax that pays 1%, you earn 0.15. What commission does tax box? Okay, TimeBucks pay for referring people. 15%, right? This one's right. Surveys are for everyone. Okay, not for everyone, and you see the answer already. I'm just going to skip through this so that I don't waste time. Masters. Yeah, so guys, I'm done answering the questions. I had to pause the video and I came across there's a point I'm going to give you after this video. That's why you need to stay to the end. That will make you earn 50 times more than the normal person that just do any tax on TimeBucks, right? Let me give you a tip. It's a referral, right? For TimeBucks, you get 50% of the amount that your referral earns. So I refer someone to TimeBucks and that person runs a tax and get $10 in a day. I'm going to get $1.5 from that person's tax without doing anything. Do you understand? So you could just get referrals and just sit and keep making money while performing your tax as well. So I'm going to submit this survey right now. Your answer is correct. 30 over 30, it means you scored 100. It's $0.1 bonus has been added to your account. You have now unlocked most of survey in your account. Click here to go back to TimeBucks. So you see how it works, right? I can just pick any survey from here. There are several surveys. Just go. You can see someone just got $1 for 24 minutes ago just by doing a survey. $1 in Nigeria right now is 700 naira. This is something a market or a supermarket woman or man may not get in a day. So imagine running over 10 to 20 tasks in a day and then earning up to 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira if you are very serious. And there are some crazy people that just spend their time here and get a lot of money every day. I think you can take advantage of it because there are so many advertisers. Every day, advertisers are crying out for help, and then you are there to help them perform the task. Um, Thank you very much for staying to the end. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment box. I'm going to reply, and then don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. This information is rare. Share it to your loved ones, and don't worry, it's not ending anytime soon. Time box keep growing daily as long as there are persons that need or require the service of advertisement. All right. Thank you very much, and stay blessed.